All right, guys, now that we are inside x2Vol, I'm going to tell you how to actually find our opportunities and sign up for them. All of those service opportunities that we are inputting can be found up here under Common Tasks. There is a button that says Find Opportunities. We can also access the same page by coming up to the top where it says Opportunities and Projects. If we hover over that, you'll see the second one down also says Find Opportunities. Those will take you to the exact same place. So let's go ahead and click on Find Opportunities. And it looks like A&M Consolidated, we have 5 different service opportunities set up right now inside of the system. And these will change as we add new opportunities that are upcoming, and things will fall off as they have passed. So this very first one right here is labeled P&P, Voter Registration Drive. The second one here says Serve, which is short for service. And then, so you'll know that those are actually committee-based events, and anybody can sign up for those. You don't actually have to be in the P&P committee to sign up for, say, their voter registration drive. That's just so that you know it is a committee-based event. Down here, we've got TAMU ticket scanning, which you know is will raise money for your class, and that's something we've got coming up, and that's where you would sign up for that as well. And some more things down here say Spirit Days and donated items. You'll notice over here on the right hand side that some of these are kind of a macaroni orange color, these first 3, and then these bottom ones are actually blue. The difference between these is that these macaroni colored ones are actually ones that have shifts available to sign up for. So they are broken down by actual shifts that you have to sign up for, and they're going to have a limit on how many people can actually sign up. Whereas these blue ones down here are what we call an ongoing opportunity. So there are things that happen throughout the year that we're not going to put in every single time we have a dress-up day. We're going to trust you guys to come in and say, yes, I dressed up on that Spirit Day. I'm going to log that time. And you'll see right here, dress-up days are worth 15 minutes. Down here, donated items, same thing. And a little reminder that a max of 2 hours to 6 weeks can be from donated goods. So that's just a lot of opportunities and a lot of information right here. So let's go into the P&P voter registration drive. I'm going to click over here and say View Event Details. And as I click on that, it will take me to the page about this specific opportunity that I have selected. So it'll tell you what organization is running it. Opportunity, it says P&P Voter Registration Drive, and it gives you some information about it. So right here it explains that these are broken up by A lunch, B lunch, and C lunch, and what the time frames are so that you know what you're actually registering for and what you'll be expected to do at the actual event. So that's good to know. Contact information, most often that's going to be myself. And location, this is happening at A&M Consolidated High School. You'll read up here in the description that it's actually happening at lunch during that week, which is why we have it set up for lunch shifts. So right here, it's got the date listed. We've got everything from 9/4 to 9/6, different time frames, and the limit of the number of people that can actually sign up. I don't need 15 people at the table in the lunchroom trying to get people to sign up for voter registration. I really only need 5 people, so that's why the limit is set at 5. And it looks like the limit's 5, nobody has registered, and there are still 5 available spots. So if I say Tony, who I'm logged in as right now, wants to sign up for this shift on Tuesday for B lunch, we're going to click sign up. It asks, do you want to sign up? Well, yes, I do. Okay. Congratulations, you successfully signed up for this event. Well, thank you. I'm going to click OK. Now you can see the limit is still 5 people. We've got 1 registered. That's me. I just did that. And then there's 4 remaining spots so that you can go tell your friends, hey, there's 4 spots left. Go sign up for those so you guys can all sit together at the table and enjoy your time. Over here, you'll notice that it says cancel sign up because you've already signed up, so you can't sign up again. But just in case you were like, oh my gosh, I totally meant to sign up for A lunch, forgot what lunch I'm in, or if you went home and checked your schedule and realized you have a conflict, it's very easy to cancel out of an event. So we're going to go right here, cancel. You've successfully canceled your sign up. Well, thank you. Okay, and now it's green again, and you'll notice that there are still 5 available spots. That's all we've got for now. Thanks, guys.